Alright, here we go. Here's our Rube Goldberg invention. This ball will go down here through this hole. Spin this thing, go down here. Roll down this ruler ramp we made. Hit these dominoes, hit this, and turn off the light. Let's do this.
Putting this on YouTube. You have to use your brain and start thinking creatively.
Oh, let's try again.
Let's try again.
Oh, Josh, tell them.
This never...
Look at this picture. Wait.
It never works the first time. Why?
Okay. Where's the needle? This one's funny.
Okay, nope.
This was the second time. Yay!
Yeah, cool
Yeah.
success. Success. Yeah. Oh,